Alright, welcome back to another containerization crash course. Today we're working through a couple of issues on the next version of the emulator, or the networked emulators this time. If you haven't seen that yet, I'm working on getting Fire Red and Leaf Green to talk together to support a future project that I've been slowly burning away on. And an issue that you come up to sometimes is that everything looks fine, but it's not actually doing anything, and you need to make a small change to your emulator.py file in the background and then rebuild your Docker containers. And it's really hard sometimes. Folks will be like, oh, this is really, like, there's a lot going on, and Vim is really hard to use, so I'm just going to use Vim in a really easy way, because Vim isn't that hard once you get used to it. So let's say we have our files here, and we need to get into that emulator.py file, so I'm going to cat that really quick. And so, like, let's say that we're just using the wrong screen size, and that might be why the video feed isn't showing up for the actual ones. And that's just one line in this giant file. And so, like I said, Vim's kind of hard to use sometimes. So instead of doing that, instead of just like trucking through it one line at a time, here's a really quick and easy way to use Vim to update that. We're just going to replace the whole file using Vim. First, we're going to rm that emulator.py file. It's gone now, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do vim emulator.py. And then right click and paste the entire code from VS Code, which is a much easier, user-friendly way to do this. And at that point, you can go ahead and right quit your changes and then Docker compose build with no cache to avoid issues. Oh, somebody's going to be mad about that one.